Okay, so we want a circuit that takes a decimal number here and controls a 7 segment display. So what are the inputs to the circuit? The inputs are A2, A1 and A0, right? And what are the outputs of the circuit? A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So we'll have to make a truth table, and let's write the truth table here. So you have your inputs are A, B and C. I'm sorry. Your inputs are A2, A1 and A0, right? And your outputs are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And let's just divide this so that we can get everything here. Okay, and let's try to put all the combinations of the inputs here. So if we put the combinations, you get 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Okay, uh, maybe what we can also do is just draw the 7 segment display here for our benefit so that we can know what pattern we need to have, and we'll also have to name it correctly. So let me just go to the previous slide and look how we named it: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, so let's write the outputs then. So when you have uh, an input of 0 0 0, what do you want at the output? You want 0 to be displayed, which means you don't want C to be displayed but everything else to be displayed, right? So you have 0, so you have, I'm sorry, so let's write 1 for the LED being on and 0 for the LED being off. So you have 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. If you want to display 1, what do you want? All you only want D and G to be 1. So D and G to be 1 and all others to be 0. If you want to display 2, what you want is you want A to be on, D to be on, C to be on, E to be on and F to be on. So you want B and G off. So you want B to be off and G to be off, and all others we want them to be on. Now if you look at 3, to display 3 we want B and E to be off and all others to be on, right? So B and E will be off and all others are on. To display 4 here, 4, how will you display 4? You'll write something like this. So you want E, F and A to be off. So B, C, D and G are on. So 4, we want A to be 0, we want E and F to be 0. All others are 1. So that will give you a VCT. Yeah, that's right. And now 5, how will you display a 5? You display a 5 by writing something like this, right? So you don't want D to be on, you don't want E to be on. So you want D to be off and E to be off and all others to be 1. What about a 6 then? For 6, you can see that you don't want A and D to be on. And if that is true, then we get a 6. So A and D are off. So A and D are off. So 0, 0, and then all these are 1s. And finally, for a 7, what we have is A, D, and G are on, and all others are off. So A, D, and G, and all others are off. So what we have done is, for this particular application, we have written a truth table, right? Now, I have kind of done the easy bit of it because I only took numbers from 0 to 7. You could take a 4-bit input here and try to display numbers all the way from 0 to 9, and then there will be a few extra numbers which you can say everything is off for that. You could do that if you want as an exercise, and I'll maybe after this video you can do that exercise before we go on further. But I'm going to solve this problem further in the next video.